Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Praveen. Last video we just saw about the linear search algorithm in Python, and today we are going to see about one of the important programming concept, which is how to find GCD of a given number. So you must all must able to know that a GCD of the given number can be able to find by using the so many methods but now we are going to use one algorithmic strategic method called Euclidean algorithm. So let us see how to find the algorithm. First of all, we are just going to declare a function which is called as def and a function name which is called GCD. So we're just going to find it, isn't it? After that, we're just going to get the values of two, which is A and B. And after, what I'm going to do is just running the loop while y x comma y, which is equal to y comma x modulus of y. um okay, so wait a second. Here what I am going to do is a is equal to x, sorry, x is equal to a and sorry a and y is equal to b. So this is the solution of the algorithm. So after that we are returning, wait a sec, okay, we are done. Okay, after that I'm going to return the value of x. After that I'm assuming a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and I'm passing print of gcd of a comma b. And if I run this program, you can able to see in the command line interface the gcd, which is the greatest common divisor, is 10. So it just produces the output successfully without any kind of error. So this is the GCD program. And okay, so I am just going to show you one thing. So we have one new thing which is called as classrooms. So what you are going to do is so this is our new online classroom. Yeah, this is our new online classroom. What you are going to do is you are just going to register your email, you with the email account and password. Okay, so you need to register with your email account and password. So I just have registered it with my email address and my passwords. Okay, after that what you just going to do is just click on classrooms, and you, so I am just going to create a new classroom, but you need to click a student. Okay, so you need to click a student, and after that you just join my classes. Okay, so you just join my classes, and all the questions will be posted here. So all the solutions also will be posted here. What you is going to do is you just going to solve the each and every problems which we are just working on. So you need to solve each and every problems here. So after that, this is a projects folder. So whenever you just doing on project, you just do the project in here, and I will able to check the projects. And if you click on learn programming tab, you can also able to learn two programming languages, which is called C and C++. This is the one of the online IDE and also online classroom, which is the website. The link is GDB. So I just give the link in description.